Since launching first in Lithuania 4 years ago, BuildStuff has quickly become Eastern Europe's biggest software development conference, bringing a lot of international guest speakers to share their knowledge and insight. This year, for the first time in history, it was held in Odessa.
Основна мета, яку ми собі поставили, це розповісти про українське IT, про українську технічну експертизу Європі та навіть Штатам, тому що спікери в нас десь біля 8 країн. Зараз ми зібрали в Одесі opinion лідерів технічних ком'юніті, лідерів юзер-груп, розробників різних рівнів. Тобто всі вони зараз слухають доклади від відомих в Європі доповідачів, від практиків, які, до речі, не тільки можуть кодувати, вони можуть навіть перевіряти, кодувати ваш ДНК, вони можуть грати на гітарі, вони можуть програмувати гітари. Тобто у нас тут така дуже легка атмосфера і при цьому робоча атмосфера.
Organizers say they've always been oriented at developers and have been covering only technical content.
Most of the conferences that you go to out there, they really have a lot of managerial content and developer content mixed together. And we just really want to focus only on the developer content and, well, actually building stuff. Tomorrow morning, there's actually Michael Feathers who's going to be doing a keynote on how to delete code, which I think will be very, very interesting for people. There's also an all-day workshop tomorrow about Java 8, which is a new version of Java that's come out, and how to leverage a lot of the features inside of it, which I think is valuable for a lot of developers. The last one I would have to pick would be the closing keynote tomorrow, which would be Russ Miles talking about microservices and how to actually not make mistakes when you're doing it.
BuildStuff gathered world-class speakers who were talking about the latest trends and innovations in software development. One of the trends is DevOps.
That does show a real difference in how fast we're able to get an application out to our users. It used to be that we'd release yearly, then it was, maybe we'd release monthly. Now a lot of companies really release hundreds of times a day, and that is great for the industry. It's great for the developers because it's less work, and it's great for users.
Software developers think that now is the best time for DevOps.
В данный момент, пожалуй, наиболее подходящее время для DevOps, потому что и технологии, и бизнес требуют намного, то есть и бизнес требует намного большего от разработчика и намного большей скорости, намного большей производительности, намного более лучшего качества. И это все невозможно достигнуть без внедрения DevOps практик. Кроме того, сами инструменты уже позволяют разворачивать DevOps процесс и использовать различные DevOps практики внутри компании намного проще, чем это было 5-7 лет назад, просто из-за того, что сами технологии изменились.
Another trend in software development is so-called decomposition.
And I see that changing a lot. There's some very interesting stuff, I think, happening with .NET Core running on Linux and Mac OS, latest version of that. We did a workshop today with ASP.NET, and one of the people in the workshop was running Xamarin on a Mac and doing the same workshop as the rest of us. Which is remarkable. 10 years ago, if you told someone you were running ASP.NET on a Mac, they'd think you were joking, And so, I love this kind of decomposition that's going on, where you can choose the tools that fit the right job, you can run it on servers that are easy to manage, you don't have to use the same environment to do your development that you use to host your production systems.
Organizers say the next time BuildStuff will be held in Kyiv, but one thing won't change: the quality of the conference.